How to profit off the metaverse. Metaverse and NFTs are still the biggest real deal. These two trending in cryptocurrency world in 2021, and it's still trending in 2022. The NFT space saw the widespread acceptance of different digital artworks in the first several months of 2021. Many creative individuals, musicians, and artists gained large sums of money via the selling of NFTs. The metaverse then came in to blow minds away. Ever since Facebook announced its name change to Metaverse, it has been like a universal song on the lips of people. It's been on everyone's minds. People have been thinking of how to profit from the metaverse. Whether you've been aware of what the metaverse is since the first ones appeared, or you're seeking methods to potentially benefit from the metaverse with no prior knowledge, you'll learn about it in this video. Before we proceed, kindly subscribe to our channel and click the notification button to be alerted when new videos are posted. Welcome to the club. Let's get started. Investing in NFTs. Non-fungible tokens, also known as NFTs, are still one of the real deals and one of the ways to profit from the metaverse. NFTs deals mainly with digital arts, and investors are drawn to make a profit through this. All you need is art, a digital wallet, and the procedure for the money to get to your account. At the present, the NFT craze is all gas and no brakes. They've mainly erupted in the art world by 2021 with headline-grabbing news such as Beeple's $69 million NFT auction or the Bored Ape Yacht Club and CryptoPunk's spectacular price run. In the metaverse space, you will be able to convert any of your inventions into NFTs and sell them in open marketplaces. There are a lot of metaverse projects coming up in the crypto world. A lot of these projects are promising. For the sake of those who don't know what the metaverse is about, Metaverse is a graphically rich virtual space where people can work, play, shop, socialize, and do all the things that humans like to do together in real life. But this time, all these activities will take place on the internet or in the virtual space. Metaverse platforms rely on avatars, mansions, apparel, collectible cards, equipment, and other digital things. Designed and generated by users, each platform has a community where all users can meet and talk. There are several tutorials available online on how to produce an NFT, which is effectively digital evidence of ownership and validity of a specific property, virtual or otherwise. For those who aren't interested in this, there are choices to explore, such as building an NFT art gallery and selling someone else's work in exchange for a percentage of the earnings. Investing in the cryptocurrency of a specific metaverse. As earlier mentioned, there are several platforms on the metaverse space, and you can choose to invest in any. Make sure you've done enough research about the platform before investing. In the metaverse world or space, there are ecosystems, and all of them are fueled by cryptocurrencies. Because the metaverse is powered by crypto, users do not have to rely on the company that established the metaverse to keep their money safe. Otherwise, users would have been discouraged and would not want to invest large sums of money into the project. The value of most major metaverse cryptocurrencies increased exponentially in 2021, resulting in a parabolic surge when Facebook renamed itself Meta. Play to earn. You probably might have heard of play to earn games. I'm not talking about the type of play to earn that ads divert you to download on Google Play or store on other websites. Those are always fake. The real play to earn games are in the metaverse space. A recent trend in metaverse games has been to offer NFTs to those who complete tasks, win against other players, or achieve the greatest scores. Several existing and upcoming play-to-earn games promise players financial rewards in exchange for their time and attention. However, it would not be a surprise if alternative forms of smaller play-to-earn games become more common in the future. I think this has started. These games are embedded inside an overarching metaverse, creating a play-to-earn metaverse. To put it another way, imagine a vast arcade building, the overarching metaverse, consisting of a variety of various sorts of games. The smaller play-to-earn games, where you can earn coins or NFTs that you can sell anytime you want to make a profit, or profits. In summary, if you select the proper game and prepare to invest some money up front, and if are skilled enough to play and win, play-to-earn games can be a good way for you to make some money now. Buying or creating monetized games or experiences. Another way to make money on Metaverse is to buy or create monetized games that other users can play in numerous metaverses. You could either purchase a game produced by someone else or sell your own game. There are methods on how to do just that. If you're a fan of selling your own game and you don't even know how to create one, I'll suggest that you try using Roblox to build your game. Roblox is a platform that allows users to easily develop games, even if the user does not have a vast coding experience. People have been making games on Roblox. Game owners can sell items, upgrades, or clothing for avatars within these games. Roblox, which is also one of the bases of Metaverse and a digital currency, is being used for transactions that can subsequently be sold for real money. Even the Sandbox Metaverse has a game maker that allows players to quickly construct their games. The designers of the games can then charge others to play their games. This as well does not require any coding skills for users who want to build games. The real issue on Sandbox is that before users can only monetize their games, they must own or rent some land on which they deploy their game on Sandbox. What users can do in this situation is to create a game and then sell the full game to someone else. Freelance work creating or constructing Metaverse assets for others. Some people do this in the Metaverse space and earn their money steadily. A lot of people want to be a partaker of whatever Metaverse has to offer. They want to own customized and one-of-a-kind digital assets or avatars, but they don't know how to make these things themselves. Some even get discouraged at the process involved. These type of people are willing to pay for their services. If you invest some time into learning how to create items in the Metaverse, you can be the savior of that problem. People engage creative freelancers to design avatars, digital clothing, products, or even complete games within the Metaverse. In addition, Metaverse landowners may hire freelancers to create structures on their properties. They can also hire you to write catchy content for their games. Purchasing real estate inside of a Metaverse. This is where the real money is, although it is the most expensive choice of investing in the Metaverse. It opens the door to a plethora of revenue-generating opportunities, including passive income. The first and most important or crucial step in purchasing virtual real estate is to thoroughly do your research on different Metaverse projects and pick the one that has a promising future. If you don't know how to go about this yourself, request the suggestions of those who have vast knowledge and experience about this. Take a look at this example. If you want to purchase real estate in the real world, you'd have to select a country, city, and neighborhood where you feel there will be a lot of growth and an increase in value. Typically, the sooner the better. When it comes to selecting a Metaverse, the same principles apply. Decentraland and the Sandbox are now the most valuable and popular Metaverse spaces where people purchase their virtual real estate from. Only a year ago, a plot of land could still be gotten for $1,000 in any of these Metaverse spaces. But all of that has changed. The cheapest land available now costs more than $10,000. People were selling plots of property for tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars in late 2021. There have even been a few $1,000,000 sales. When you purchase land in Decentraland or the Sandbox, the land becomes a non-fungible token, or an NFT, kept on the Ethereum blockchain. Because a piece of land is an NFT, it is unique and cannot be replicated or stolen. Once bought, you become the only owner of the property. The corporation that built the Metaverse does not own the land that you have acquired anymore. And that's all for now, guys. What are your thoughts? Do you know of any additional ways to make money or profit from any of the present or soon-to-be Metaverses? Let us know what you think in the comments, and if you like this video, kindly like it, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to be alerted to our new videos. Thank you so much for your time.